Stop buying pesto. Once you try this fresh homemade version, you'll never go back. Fresh basil leaves, 2 cups. Garlic, 2 cloves. Pine nuts, 1/4 cup. Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup. Olive oil, 1/2 cup. Pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon black pepper. Start by adding basil leaves into a blender. Now toss in garlic and pine nuts. Blend it slightly, just enough to break everything down. Next, add grated Parmesan cheese. Now slowly pour in olive oil while blending. This gives pesto that smooth, creamy texture. Blend until it becomes a thick, vibrant green sauce. Finally, add salt and a pinch of black pepper. Give it one last quick blend. And that's it. Fresh, aromatic pesto ready in minutes. Try this once and you'll never buy store pesto again. Save this recipe and follow for more quick, delicious sauces.